Easily manifest money using law of attraction. Before we get started, if you'd like a free manifestation program that has helped over 10,000 people to help you manifest anything you desire, click the link in the description below. Easily manifest money using law of attraction. There is no fast way to get and keep a large sum of money if you have never had it. Although the law of attraction could double your income or help you win a lottery tomorrow, it sometimes happens. If you don't know anything about money or investing, you won't be able to hold on to it. Does this mean you should give up on manifesting? Not at all. This means that you should start learning about money and make a plan for what you will do with it. If you don't have enough interest to start learning about money, you won't be able to get into the right frequency to attract it. We recommend Robert Kyosaki or Dave Ramsey, or Suze Ormond. And the classic, Think and Grow Rich by Napoleon Hill should be part of your library. This will help you with the visualize part of manifesting money. You will be visualizing investment paths rather than spending paths. If you already spend more than you earn, and you are manifesting a vacation in Paris, you are on the wrong track. You must have heard the expression, God won't give you more than you can handle. This is true for problems, and this is also true for good things. If you are spending more than you earn, having more money will most likely cause you more money problems. More people in the USA have gotten into trouble with the easy credit that started in the 1980s than those who made money with good investments with that easy credit. Most dollar million lottery winners are back to their original lifestyle, or worse, after 1 year. So, first get your financial house in order. We all have a financial set point. To raise that set point, you must do some serious work. This is the action part of manifesting money. Quicken or some other money management program can help you find the fastest ways to pay off debt, and then to save some money each paycheck. Spend time working the numbers each week, if not each night. As you find you are paying your bills ahead of time rather than at the last moment, or late, you will begin to have more confidence and feel more of the money frequency. You will never have more than you feel you deserve. If you don't love yourself, you will squander or lose any riches you manage to gather, because your unconscious will discard any abundance that you don't deserve. And remember, your unconscious is 17 million times more powerful than your conscious, so it will always win any disagreement. So, along with spending some time learning about money, you should spend some time learning to love yourself. I don't know why you don't. Perhaps you were mean to your younger siblings. Perhaps you didn't feel loved by your family, and out of loyalty to them, you have taken on the belief that you aren't lovable. It doesn't really matter what the cause was. You can change your belief most quickly by meditating on your connection to the one, source, God. The one is love, and you will feel that as soon as you learn to connect. This is faster and more direct than trying to find all your blocks, which will only grow and multiply until you learn to love yourself and believe that you deserve more. This is faster and more direct than finding a financial coach who will simply charge you money for exposing one block after another. The root problem is with your belief about yourself. Change that and all those other blocks will drop away. You must be willing to give fair compensation. Napoleon Hill warns you that you must be willing to pay a price for abundant riches. He also warns that you must give fair or better value for the riches you intend to attract. The opera singer practices her craft and practices her music and lives a poor life until she is ready. The inventors, Ford and Edison, fail and fail and fail and keep going until they finally achieve the new, unique product they originally envisioned. Edison's partner, apprentice, works with him tirelessly and happily until they complete their partnership. Mike Dooley speaks of mastering where you are now. Any idea that you will get something for nothing is false and irrational. The laws of the universe are anything but irrational. This is why we encourage you to follow your instinct and develop your God-given gifts. Then you will be happy in the enterprise, and when the riches come, they will be a happy surprise, as Napoleon Hill promised. Napoleon Hill and Wallace Wattles warn us against competition, and seeking to defeat our competition. This is not in the spirit of Source, One, God. Source would have us seek to, in the words of the Golden Rule, do unto others as we would have others do unto us. In other words, the One would have us develop our gifts, and give more than fair value for the compensation we seek. These endeavors to master our craft and to develop a unique or much improved product, is where we grow our passion. The formula for manifesting. Visualization plus belief passion equals manifestation. Are you struggling to manifest the things you want in life? You know you want to live a positively abundant life, but there's one problem. It's hard. That is, until now. Today, I have a special free gift for you. It's a free manifestation program. Just click the link in the description below. I hope you enjoyed today's video. If you did, leave a like on the video and subscribe to the channel if you're new, and get your free manifestation program by clicking the link in the description below.